everyone, this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio. And did you know that Wizardi had diamond paintings? You didn't? Well, I didn't either, until they reached out to me and they said, hello, did you know we have diamond paintings? Just kidding. They actually reached out to me and they said, hey, we have seen your videos and we would love for you to test our paintings and our diamond paintings and our cross stitch kits. And I was like, what? First of all, I knew you had paintings, but I did not know you had diamond paintings and cross stitch kits. And oh my goodness, I would absolutely love to test whatever you have, because I had tried a painting in the past that I'd purchased from Hirschner's, but I didn't realize they had their own website. So I'm going to put their website right here, and I'm also going to put that website in the description below so that you can just click on it and go shopping, because they have amazing products. So before you see this video, you will probably have seen at least one, if not two, paint by number videos that I have done on Wizardi. And just a hint, they were fabulous. I am not expecting anything less out of their diamond painting, but this is my very first look. I have not opened this box. I have not taken a sneak peek. I know nothing about their diamond paintings in any way, shape, or form. So let's take a look together at Wizardi's diamond paintings. This is the design that I picked out right here. Now, I have seen this design in other types of products and from other companies, but I loved it. So of course I had to pick it. The colors were incredible, and you know, it called my name because they typically do. Those are the voices in my head that maybe I shouldn't admit that I have. So you know how it is. But let's take a look at the contents of this box. But I want to peek at the box real quick because I haven't even looked at the box yet. I wanted to save everything for the video because it's not a first impressions unboxing and review if I really have taken a look at it before I get to this point. Now I'll go ahead and tell you that the size of the diamond painting is a 40 by 50 centimeter, which you know it kind of equates to a 16 by 20. I'll put the dimensions here in actual inches so that you are prepared that it's not exactly a 16 by 20. I do love the packaging. I'm not gonna lie, I love the box because I love keeping my items stored in the box until I get ready to use them. It does have instructions along this side, which I absolutely love as well. For those of you who are new, it gives you your general instructions here. It opens from the front here. I'm all about packaging, you guys know this. And I just want to see if there's anything else. Okay, so let's flip it on the back. Now this is just going to be generic information telling me what my kit content should be. So I'm not going to go into what this is, other than it does give us our photo reference and what our reference will be of the painting once it's complete. So that's all this is. Let me go ahead and open it up and let's take a look at what's inside. Now see, I do love the way this opens up. Okay. Now I kind of dumped things. I dumped things around a little bit when I flipped it around, but that's okay. That's okay. I love the way everything is packaged. I can tell you already that I love the way they have it labeled in the zippered bags. A lot of people love having their diamond paintings ready in this method. So this is fabulous for those people especially. I personally like it because then I don't have to go and cut open all those little plastic bags. This is super easy for me, even though I may end up putting these into a separate container when I'm ready. I love this process. And it's easy for me to get them in order because they're labeled so clearly. This is a square drill diamond painting, which is nice to be able to see right off the bat as well. And I love how this is separated. Love this packaging. I'm just going to tell you because as a package designer person, I love, love, love this. So let's look at what's in here before we get to our canvas. Oh, I love my little triangular tray. Oh, that's the first time I've ever gotten one like that. I know, it's the little things for me. All right, here are the instructions in every single language. We have our basic green tray, we have our diamond drill pen, and we have our small piece of wax. We have a very nice pair of precision tweezers in a case, which I like, with a little safety loop around them. I am not going to take out all of these diamond drills right now, but I do want to look at this canvas. I can already tell that it's got a very high-end canvas. So it's got the nice canvas, it's got the slick fabric back, not the plastic back, but the fabric back, which is a good sign. Now I'm going to tell you, just the thickness of the adhesive alone, trying to roll this out, I can tell you that this is a thick, double-sided adhesive, which means to me, this is going to hold my drills in place. I'm not going to have that cheap, double-sided adhesive that my drills are going to be falling off or not staying where I put them. None of that nonsense. This is a high quality double-sided tack. I'm loving it, loving it. All right, I am going to put something up here to weight this side down. Now on the side over here, you're going to notice that we have our image. So because we have our white paper over the top, this is our quick and easy reference to tell us what project we have in front of us on our canvas. To the left, we're going to have our schematic. This is our color code reference. We have 48 amazing drill colors. They're going to be beautiful colors, vibrant, and I love it. So our symbols look like they're going to be easy to read. Now I'm going to rotate this to the landscape format so that I can pull up a corner and we can check the tack, and we can also check the color schematic on the canvas itself. And I'd also like to place a few drills just to test the tack of the canvas. So that it looks like the symbols are easy to read. And I am going to try to place a few drills here just to check for tack and to check for facets. Okay, so using what I have right here really quickly, I'm just going to place some of these as fast as possible in time-lapse mode. The tack is wonderful, very high tack. The drills are beautifully faceted. There were no junk drills in what I poured out. They seem to be very uniform with no little extra edges or plastic on anything. So I'm very impressed with the Wizardi diamond paintings. I'm so thrilled that they reached out to me to test one of their kits. I have to say, thumbs up to Wizardi for their quality product. I'm going to link you to their website below, so be sure to go check them out and let me know what you think of this particular painting. Let me know if you've tried their kits before, what you think of working with them, what your experiences have been. I love your feedback. All right, give me a thumbs up for this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you back soon.